Hi friends, today I'm going to walk through how to do a proof with this one-step algebra equation that has a variable. Our variable here is x. Now, the reason I'm showing you how to do a proof with something even this simple, and many of you probably can do this in your head, is that we want to make this process become like breathing to us. We want it to be easy, and we want to learn how to do it really well with these easy equations. So when we get more complex, it will be an easy task for us to do. So our goal is to get the variable, and in this case, my variable is x, all alone. We have it on one side, and remember that this equal sign acts like a balance beam. And so what that means is if we do something to one side, we have to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the inverse operation to get rid of this. All right, so I'm going to get rid of the 44 on this side. And how I do that is if I see I have 44 plus x, I just have to take away 44 from this side. So in my proof, right underneath it, I'm going to put what I'm going to do. I'm also going to do minus 44 on the other side as well, because whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So then in my proof, I am going to write my new equation. So if I take away 44 minus 44, I know that's 0, which kind of cancels each other out, which means I just have x on this side. On the other side then, I'm going to take 126 minus 44. If I can't do that in my head, I can just simply do it right here. I know that that's 2. I'm going to make that 12. Makes me 82. So I know my x equals 82. It's a very simple little proof for us to do, but you can see how I worked it out. I actually wrote every single one of my steps. All right, let's do one more. This time, let's do one that would be with multiplication. Let's say I had 90 equals 10, and my variable I'm going to say is w. All right, 90 equals 10w. So I'm trying to get my variable w all alone here. All right, I know if I have a number right next to a variable that's multiplication. I think about what is my inverse operation? What is the opposite? Well, my inverse operation for multiplication is division. So if I want to get rid of this 10 times w, I have to divide by 10. So if I divide by 10, and in my proof, I put a kind of a big line, almost like a fraction, put the 10 below, those cancel out. But I also have to divide 90 by 10 on this side. Then below, I rewrite my equation. Well, w is all alone because I got rid of both 10s by doing the inverse operation. And on this side, 90 divided by 10 is 9, leaving me with my final answer, 9 equals w, or w equals 9. So when I work through these first problems, I want you to do this proof. I want you to show me every step that you're going to do and get into this habit. So when we get into more complex problems, you're going to be just fine. All right, thanks.